सांताक्रूजचे उमेदवार जो बॉय म्हणटा आपूण हिस्ट्री शीटर न्ही. आपूण जर हिस्ट्री शीटर जाल्यार बाबूश मोन्सेरात, चर्चिल आलेमांव आनी रुडॉल्फ कोण. आपल्याक बाबुशान उबो करूंक ना आनी बाबुशानच 1999 आपल्याक मारपाची सुपारी दिल्ली असो सनसनाटी आरोप जो बॉयान केलो. रॉय रवी नायकाच्या कथीत सुपारी केशीन आपल्याक पुलिशेन घुस्पायला अशें तो म्हणटा.
सो म्हाका इतलेंच क्लॅरिफाय करूंक जाय बाबा, हांव हिस्ट्री शीटर न्हू. हांव बाय इज्जत बरी जाल्लो आहा आनी 2005 सावन म्हाजेर एकूय क्रायम रेजिस्टर जावं ना. जरी तर हांव हिस्ट्री शीटर जाल्यार बाकीच्या लोकांक कितें म्हणपाचें, जशें चर्चिल आलेमांव, बाबूश, रुडॉल्फ. म्हाजी सगल्यो केसी ट्रायल आसल्यो त्यो सगल्यो काबार जाल्या 2008 सावन म्हाजी एकूय केस ना आनी क्लियरली हॉनरेबली एक्विटेड जाला बाय हॉनरेबल कोर्ट्स. दुसरें, म्हाजे ते रॉय नायकाची एक इन्सिडेंट घातलेलो, ते केसींतल्यान म्हाका एंटिसिपेटरी बेल ग्रांट जाल्ली थ्रू सेशन कोर्ट. मायकल तुका जो बॉयन सुपारी दिली, मायकलान डिनाय केली आनी सांगलें, आपणें स्टार्टींग स्टेटमेंटार लिहून सांगलां की आपणें जो बॉयचें नांव डायरेक्ट घेवंक ना, आपण आनी कोणाच्या थ्रू येयलेली म्हणून. आनी ताणें सारकें म्हाज्या फुड्यान कन्फ्रंट केलां की SP स्टेटमेंटार लिहून सेम स्टेटमेंट दिला. तो हातून कळटा पुलीस म्हाका स्केप गोट करूंक सोदताले म्हणून. हांव म्हणना सगळेच पुलीस वायट म्हण, थोडे धटी पुलीसूय आहा डिपार्टमेंटान.
कित्याक लागून रावलो तूं उबो
इलेक्शन जी कोण डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक, लोकांची जी पळय कितें मुश्कील कामां आहा ती करपाक. हांव रुदोल्फा वांगडा खेळलो 22 वर्सां, 1 मॅन आर्मी. हांव अनडिफिटेड. बाबुनी कातरून गेले, बाबुनी कातरपी मरून गेलो. आतां तुमकां स्टेटमेंट दिला, हांव बाबुशा कडेन 98 सावन कॉन्टेक्टान ना. बाबुशान लिहून म्हाजी एकदां सुपारी दिलेली 2 लाखांक रुडॉल्फाक, ते जोकीम नुनिसान म्हणटा ताणें घेतलेली. आनी हांव मेळना म्हणून बाबूश ऑस्ट्रेलियाक सावन रिटर्न जावन येवच्या पयलीं तेणी म्हाज्या एका फ्रेंडाक एटॅक केलो चौगुलीन, फायरींग जालें. ते तुका म्हायती आसतलें पात्रांव, तूं तेन्ना आहलो बाणालेकर PI तेन्ना.
मॅनेजर
1998.
तेजे फाटल्यान तूं कॉन्टेक्टान
ना. आनी हांव पयलें सावन कॉन्टेक्टान ना बाबुशाच्या.
तूं म्हणटा सगळे रावले ते एंटी सोशल.
हय
सांताक्रूज.
हय.
कोण सगळे?
बाबूश, रुदॉल्फ. बाबुशाची लायफ तुमकडे मरे 4थें वर्स तुमी सेलिब्रेट केला मरे, पुलिसाचेर हल्ला जालो तो. हां ओके, तेजी केस अंडर ट्रायल आहा. जरी तर म्हाका इक्विटेड केला हॉनरेबली. हां
तूं सोडून
why as you people target me as a history शीटर, so I have to give you all awareness about other anti house. हां तेंच्या बरोबर वचना, पूण तुमी पळय जो असो अटॅक केला एज अ हिस्ट्री शीटर, सो आय हॅव रायट टू टेल यू ऑल इवन दे आर द हिस्ट्री शीटर्स.
बुधवारा पुलिसांनी पणजे सांतिनेज धिरयो बंद उडयल्यो. दोनूय रेड्यांक पुलिसांनी ताब्यात घेतले. धिरयांची खबर पावतकच पुलिशेन ही कारवाय केली. एका रेड्याचो धनी आशिश गडेकाराचेर पुलिसांनी गुन्यांव नोंद केला, ताका अटकय केल्या. दुसऱ्या रेड्याच्या धनयाक पुलीस सोदतात.
Today at around 11:30 hours we received information from one informant that dhirios are going on at Santinez. So immediately our PSI Ravi Desai was on duty. He rushed to the spot and it was observed that dhirios were about to getting over and 2 bulls were there, and he apprehended the owner of one of the bull by name Anish Gadekar. He was placed under arrest and one of the bull was injured in the fights. So both the bulls were sent to Animal Welfare Society pond which is at Santinez. Further investigation we are conducting in the matter. That owner is from Taligaon, Barbat Taligaon. Yeah, other owner is not yet traced. So we are in a process to trace.
जागरूक पॅसेंजरांनी बोवाळ घाल्ल्यान गोंयच्यान बंगळुराक वचपी पावलुची मोडकी बस मंगळारा बदलची पडली. चेसीक फूट पडिल्ल्यान बस तशीच व्हरपाक बऱ्याच प्रवाशांनी न्हयकार दिलो. हें प्रकरण RTO आनी पुलिसे मेरेन पावलें तेन्ना पावलू कंपनीन दुसऱ्या बसीची वेवस्था केली.
My friend got injured in his leg. You can just show him. And it's we just asked for the first aid also, and they didn't respond anything. And we asked for the authority, like managers and everything, they didn't respond well. And we asked for the agent, they're shouting on me. and I told to them I will call media. Okay, you can call media and everything. We are polo. We can't do anything in Goa. But
They are telling like that.
Yeah, they are telling like that. But we are really fed up with this bus. Really, and the foreign peoples, everybody is fed up with this bus.
What is the condition of the
Pardon? Condition.
Full shivering this bus.
Completely
But
shivering.
foreigners
And-
fell down also. In that,
one berth is fell down.
Fell down.
That's why his leg is got cracked, I think. We need to go to the hospital
I
and
think
check.
my bone got broken.
Yeah, and you just see this, sir. While traveling, it's shivered. That's it's got broken.
His friend,
And he fell down from the
He's the
berth.
fell down.
Fell down from the
hurt
berth.
himself.
He fell down from the berth.
Last 2 hours we are getting smell. Diesel smell
Yeah,
is getting.
diesel smell. It's carbonated smell. Maybe we will get died.
You are traveling from where?
From Goa to Bangalore. Yeah, and also, sir, the engine leaks. Engine and diesel also leaks. While a small spark, we need to explode the bus now.
Support people. Support people.
No, 4 people. You asked everybody. You asked them.
You made
You fight with the company here.
And the
Why you are fighting with me?
Who wanted to come in bus?
Let them come. Please come. Otherwise, let them take back water. They make arrangement. Please go.
You just asked to the foreign peoples. They are asking for the bike. They didn't ready to go with this bus. You just shoot this. They are asking.
Broken this. You can check it now. It's cracked fully. That side also it's cracked. This side it's cracked one. Fully. That side. You check it.
I want to show you. Come here. Look, see this one.
It will not reach in Bangalore.
Sir, come, see this one. Look this one. Look, and look this one. Look, already broken this one. Look, I'm not saying anything. Look, this one, look, and look this one. I'm sleeping now, already broken, I think.
Fell down means one guy is gone.
Look, one guy is sleeping like this, look sir. Sleeping like this, already is down. Right, like this, sleeping like this, one guy.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.